According to Srimad Bhagavad Gita, yoga is the journey of the self, through the self to the self. I am Manashri and I wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice originated in ancient India. The word yoga has been derived from two Sanskrit words, Yuj and Yujir, meaning together or to unite, symbolizing the unity of mind and body. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year to make people aware of the benefits of yoga. On September 27, 2014, the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, proposed suggestion for the Yoga Day during his speech at the UN General Assembly. The draft resolution proposed by India was then endorsed by 177 member states. On December 11, 2014, the UN General Assembly adopted 21st June as International Yoga Day. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015 around the world. 35,985 people including Narendra Modi and dignitaries from 84 nations performed 21 asanas for 35 minutes at Rajpath in New Delhi, created Guinness World Record. The 8th edition of International Yoga Day will be organized on 21st June with the main event being held in Mysore, Karnataka. The theme for International Yoga Day 2022 is Yoga for Humanity. Yoga can also be explained as an exercise that helps us to maintain all the elements in our body. In addition, it helps us to relax our body and mind. Other benefits of yoga: release stress and anxiety, strengthens our body, sharpens our mind, improve concentration, cure many diseases. So we should incorporate yoga into our daily life. Have a happy International Yoga Day. If you like my video, then like, share, subscribe my channel Blossoming Bird. Thank you for watching.